Hello everyone. Today we are going over the index function. A lot of you may know this from the index match function. Today we are just going over the index function to give you a background, and then we will be going over the match and the index match function in a later video. But the index function is just returning a value based off the row and the column number that you give it. So for example, I'm going to type in our index function here, and we're going to see that we're going to be typing in an array, a row number, and a column number. That's optional. So for this example, obviously we are going to be looking at this array of the owner and the amount of dogs, cats, and gerbils that they might have. So I'm going to hit comma, move on to our row number argument. And for this example, I want to see how many cats Sally owns. So I know that Sally's in row 3. So I'm putting in a 3 for the row number, and I'm putting in a 3 for the column number because cats is the third column, the 1, 2, 3, third column. So Sally and cats should return us a 5. So if I hit our closing parentheses, hit enter, we will get a 5. So I'll go over another one. Let's say we want to find out the number of gerbils that Drew has. So we'd come in here and we would change this to a 4 because Drew is in the fourth row and gerbils is also the fourth column. So we're going to change that to 4 as well. And it should populate with a 2 because Drew does in fact have 2 gerbils. So that's a pretty simple background to the index function. If you want to learn more about any beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions, I've got series on all of those. And as always, thank you for watching.